Alrighty. Here's Richard doing hip thrusts.
Alright, man. Don't look me in the eyes. Dude, I look so ridiculous, don't I? Black shoes with a brown belt. What is that? Alright, here we go.
And a Pikachu onesie.
Oh, don't look me in the eyes. Don't look me in the eyes. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Calves are here. Calves are here. Why are you giving me that weird look, dude? I don't actually make these noises.
I'm sure you don't.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyway, that's how you do them. You ready? Ready? Oh, it's the last little. You gotta squeeze your butt cheeks. Oh, yeah. Ready? Oh, yeah.
The master.
Give me that.